Alright, today we're going to talk about half sections. If you look in your book on page 85, you have the half sections unit. Now, we talked about full sections in the last unit, and full sections actually cut all the way through the part. Just like if you were to look at D13 over here, the cutting plane line goes all the way through the part. You got your lines of view pointing in that direction. What we're doing, we're cutting apart. We're looking at the interior in that direction, and this is what you would see. You got section lines on both sides because it is a full section. Now, sometimes we want to see both the exterior and the interior of the part. That's where half sections come in. You see here we've got a cutting plane line that passes over the outside, goes to the middle, and then comes up. What that means is we're going to remove this section of the part so we can see inside of it. Now, first thing I want to tell you, anytime you've got a section view and you've got a cutting plane line, that doesn't mean that we make the part and then we cut the part a piece out of it. I've had someone in the past say, well, we're supposed to make it and then cut it in two. No, it's just to show you detail of what the inside of the part looks like. We're not going to cut the part. Our print for this week is going to be a idler pulley, and I've got a pulley right here that's real similar to what you see on the print. I've got it sitting right here as it would be in the right side view, and the cutting plane line shows that we're cutting up and then going to the middle and over. So we're actually removing this part. You like my new pointer there? I've got a nice stick with a pencil lead sticking out of it. We've got this part removed, and we're going to look in this direction because the arrows are going that way. We're going to see the exterior of the part and the interior of the part, just like this right here. You're going to see the exterior down here, and you're going to see the interior up here where you see the section lining. Again, the section lining will be right here on the part where we actually come in contact with the part, where the cutting plane line is actually touching the part. That's half sections. Remember, if you're looking at half the exterior, half the interior of the part, it's a half section. If you're looking at the total interior of the part, it is a full section. Now, there's more types of section views that exist. There's actually section views for details, to where if you just want to cut a part in a certain spot. There's offset sections. There's all kinds of different section views, but the only ones we're going to go through in this course are half and full. If you have any questions, feel free to check back with me. One thing about your print this time, it says an 1/8 inch right here from the end of the part over to the oil hole. That needs to be 3/8 of an inch. So when it asks you your question, it's going to say that refer to your lecture. This is what I'm telling you. It's 3/8 right here from the end of the part over to the center of the oil hole. Any more questions, please just give me an email. Thank you.